How to show and hide AM, PM, and time on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Okay, you can see below here in System Settings on left side, go to Control Center. In Control Center, scroll down and below you can see the menu bar only section. Here you can see the clock. And on the right side of clock, you can see the clock options button. Okay, you can click this and the pop-up are show. On this pop-up, you can see the time section. In time section, you can see here the show AM, PM. So, okay, to show the AM, PM, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side to show. And after that, click done to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully showed the AM, PM in time on MacBook Air. And if you want to back again to 12-hour time format, okay, you'll have to do is go to clock option button again and switch off the switch button on the right side of this show AM, PM and click done to save. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully show and hide AM, PM and time on MacBook Air.